Okay, I'm recording.
No, Mom, you take the nail out this way. You smart Alex. You stuck forever, puppy.
Little heart.
Oh. Sorry if I get people in the eye.
No problem.
Well, Mom, you're not the one that's going to be hitting them.
Hitting in the facing?
Yeah, hitting in the face. God. She's slowing down.
Yep. Yeah, there, that time she actually. That was a rub. That's what, a 2-point deduction?
Rub.
There you go. Come on. There's a good Laurel.
Yeah, I know. I put 3 of the babies away.
Hello, Laurel. Was that fun? Oh, she's looking for more.